The support PIN is an array of unique numbers that only BigCommerce account owners can have access to. It is absolutely crucial that you know how to locate the support PIN because the support PIN is used by BigCommerce to verify that you are the right person with access to the BigCommerce account.
The support PIN is also needed when initiating support cases with BigCommerce support, be it via live chat, phone support, or email support.
There are many ways to locate your support PIN. One way of locating the support PIN is to log into your BigCommerce account. Look at the control panel, which is located at the left-hand side of the screen. Click at the Help option at the bottom left corner, and you will see your support PIN. Another way is to view the email sent to you by BigCommerce when you created your account. Here, you will see the support PIN included in your login information. You can also view your support PIN by going to your account settings, account overview, and clicking on the Help option at the top right corner of your screen. And still another way of locating the support PIN is by calling the phone support team. You can get the contact numbers by going to support.bigcommerce.com, go to Contact, Phone Support, and here you can see the appropriate numbers to call for your region. The customer service will then verify you using alternative methods and provide you with your support PIN.